Hi, and welcome to 4386 Monaco Street in the beautiful Sunset Cliffs neighborhood of Point Loma, California. This slice of Tuscany in Southern California is a refreshing change from the modern, boxy homes being built today. High-quality materials and character make this a showstopper. Anderson windows and doors, travertine, marble, and natural stone are featured throughout. Perched high above Sunset Cliffs, this stunner features 3 bedrooms, 3.5 baths, multiple living and dining spaces, 8 sets of French doors, vaulted wood-beamed ceilings, a wine cellar, and so much more. The gourmet kitchen features high-end stainless steel appliances, a wine refrigerator, rose-colored granite counters, marble floors, a walk-in pantry, a breakfast nook, and a small family room. What a place for family to gather. 1 bedroom and full bath on the first floor accommodates guests, parents, or an au pair quite nicely. This one-of-a-kind home has over 3,900 square feet of living space and is situated on a corner lot with unobstructable ocean views. The outdoor areas are magical and amazing entertaining spaces. A real wood-fired pizza oven, tranquil fountains, avocado and fruit trees, a spa, and panoramic views make this home an entertainer's dream. The first floor living room has a fireplace and French doors leading to panoramic ocean view decks. The second floor features a large family room with 14-foot ceilings and ocean views. In addition, there's a full apartment within the house, which is perfect for extended family, guests, or a teenager's retreat. Enjoy panoramic, unobstructable views of the Pacific and beyond. Sunset Cliffs is a highly desirable neighborhood that is famous for surf, sandy beaches, and, of course, amazing sunsets. Just minutes to downtown hiking, trails, the marina, and the airport. A glass of Chianti from your private cellar, a home-fired pizza, the sun shimmering on the ocean, and good friends and family. This is what it's all about. If you want to make this dream your reality, call me today.